Welcome to 1131 Reed Avenue in Sunnyvale. We're currently standing by the front door. You can see there is convenient street parking as well as a reserved spot underneath the carport just around the corner, as well as the communal laundry is just around this corner. The property has tile floors and LVT flooring in the bedrooms, so there's no carpet for easy to clean surfaces. We come in to a linen closet, entryway hall, kitchen, living room and dining area. This is the patio, which is private and enclosed. This is the kitchen. You can see the refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher, stove. This is the first of 2 bedrooms. Which has very large closets. This is the bathroom that we'll see in a moment. The second bedroom, heater, lots of natural light, as you have no neighbors on 3 sides of the unit. The only shared wall is this one here. This is the bathroom. It has a large storage area as well as more storage under the sink, faucet, medicine cabinet, toilet, all in one shower. Tile floor, more storage, and we're back at the entry door. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the tour.